The subtle feedback of tugs and twitches coming through the steering wheel with every pavement undulation and nuanced change in road surface are vivid enough that an astute passenger will notice the wheels wriggling. This is not standard issue car making, or even supercar making, these days. But McLaren is going countercultural by prioritizing driver involvement, even at sub-racetrack speeds, something regularly sacrificed across the industry due to ever-increasing horsepower, performance, and weight. While even McLaren succumbs to the siren song of the stopwatch on more expensive wares such as the 720s, the focus on feedback on its lower-priced Sports Series line of cars, a trio of $200,000 two-seaters that consists of the 570s Coupe, the slightly more practical 570 GT, and this new two-piece hardtop convertible 570s Spider makes them the McLarens to buy. The pursuit of driving character is why McLaren refuses to take its electric assist lumps like everyone else, continuing to use hydraulically assisted power steering. Also Spec D in the name of feel are surprisingly modest tire sizes, including two 25mm section width rubber in front, 10mm narrower than what a Honda Civic Si wears. These restrained tire selections certainly benefit ride quality, too, which is very reasonable by supercar standards. It's not like these cars can't deliver impressive numbers, though. We expect the 570s Spider powered by McLaren's familiar twin-turbocharged, flat-plane crank V8 that was designed with the English engineering firm Ricardo, screams to 8,200 RPM, and makes 562 horsepower to dash to 60 miles per hour in 3.0 seconds and to return quarter-mile times in the high 10-second range. The last 570s Coupe we tested managed 1.05 G on the skid pad, so this drop-top version won't be a slouch there, either. And, with the top-up, the Spider will reach the same claimed 204 miles per hour top speed as the Coupe, a point of pride for the aerodynamics team. It's perhaps not a huge surprise that the dynamic exuberance of the Coupe carries over pretty much unchanged to the Spider, as the folding hardtop mechanism adds a claimed 101 pounds. And, indeed, the Spider feels coupe-like in its solidity, despite receiving no additional bracing to its carbon fiber structure. We were hard-pressed to feel a meaningful difference in structural rigidity with the top in either position. The coupe and convertible are so similar that the suspension hardware remains identical, with only slight Spider-specific software tweaks to the programming for the adaptive dampers. Exhaust screams, as do bystanders. Befitting a supercar, the 570's extroverted looks turn heads as well as anything, and perhaps better in the sharply contrasting two-tone color schemes of the cars we exercised on sinewy mountain roads outside of Barcelona.